Listen carefully. Making a woman miss you is not about flooding her phone, chasing her shadow, or begging for her attention. It's about creating a silent spell, an emotional imprint so deep that even when you're gone, your presence still whispers in her mind. Here's the truth. People don't miss what's always available. They miss what's rare, valuable, and impossible to replace. Today I'm going to reveal the exact steps that will make a woman crave your presence so intensely that even if she wasn't interested before, she won't be able to get you out of her head. The magic of presence and the power of absence. When you're with her, be fully there, as if the world outside doesn't exist. Look into her eyes when you speak. Listen as if every word matters. Make that moment feel like a secret the two of you share. But when you leave, truly leave, don't send constant updates. Don't keep reminding her you're still there. Leave a space, a silence that makes her wonder, where is this energy I felt? Because silence often speaks louder than words. To build a life she wants to step into. If your entire life revolves around her, you've already lost value. Your life should be a universe filled with dreams, goals, passions, and moments that inspire curiosity. A life that feels exciting and full, even without her in it. When she sees you thriving, when she sees you happy without needing her, she'll want to be part of that world. Because a woman doesn't miss someone who needs her, she misses someone whose value stands on its own. 3. Make your energy unforgettable. This is not just about looks. It's about how you make her feel. Your tone of voice, your smile, the way you carry yourself. These are the fingerprints you leave on her mind. When you're with her, give her moments she can't shake off. When you're gone, she should hear your words replaying in her head and feel that subtle ache of missing you. 4. Give less than expected, but better than imagined. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Don't pour out every story, every secret, every emotion. Leave something unsaid, something undone, so she always feels there's more to discover. It's the mystery, not the certainty, that keeps someone hooked. 5. Control the emotional pace. You decide when to lean in and when to lean back. If she starts taking you for granted, don't argue, simply pull away. Not as punishment, but as a reminder that your presence is a privilege, not a right. When you value yourself enough to walk away, she'll value you more when you're there. 6. Turn disinterest into desire. If she isn't interested now, don't try to convince her with words. People often realize value only when they've lost it. Show your worth through your life, your confidence, your purpose. One day, the silence you leave behind will hit her harder than any speech you could have given. The silence that took over her heart. Let me tell you a story. There was a man who adored a woman. He was always available, always ready, always showing up. And she was always indifferent. Then, one day, he stopped. He shifted his focus into his passions, his friends, his goals, his adventures. Weeks later, she was the one calling, asking, "Where have you been? Why so quiet?" Because she finally realized the silence he left behind was louder than any presence she had ever felt. The reality: a woman misses you when your presence becomes an addiction. An addiction comes only when the absence is felt. This isn't about playing games. It's about elevating your value so much that being with you feels like a rare opportunity and being without you feels like a loss. From this moment on, never lower your value. Never place your worth entirely in someone else's hands. Live so fully, so deeply, so completely that even a woman who isn't interested now will one day feel that aching emptiness without you. Remember, your greatest power is your standard. When you know your worth, your presence becomes a dream people don't want to wake from. And when your presence is a dream, your absence becomes their biggest nightmare. So go build the life, the energy, the mystery that makes your presence unforgettable and your absence unforgettable in an entirely different way. Because the most powerful revenge is when she tries to forget you and fails.